Let's make cute kite-themed clips for girls. Grab a piece of felt. Measure this 10 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Grab some colorful yarn. Fold your felt piece twice in a triangular shape. Open it up and then fold like this. Fold these sides down like this. Then stitch to secure. Tuck these sides in. Then stitch to secure. We will make the pattern line with thread. Stitch on a small piece of yarn in the middle. Do the same along the other side. Add some cute miniature pom-poms. You can either stitch these on or glue them on. I recommend stitching to keep it flat and secure. Make a tassel out of the yarn and stitch this to the bottom of the kite. Glue on clips at the back.